Warning ito sa lahat ng mga magulang dyan. Una, avoid giving your child everything he asks for. Kasi lalaki yan sa paniniwala na lahat ng gusto niya, makukuha niya. Second, avoid laughing when your child speaks insulting words. Kasi ang mangyayari dyan, he will grow up thinking that disrespect is entertainment. Diba? Guys, number 3, importante ito, avoid remaining insensitive to bad behavior that can he display without scolding him for his bad behavior. Kasi ang mangyayari niyan, lalaki siya thinking that there are no roles in the society. Diba? Pang-apat guys, avoid picking up anything that your child messes up. He will grow up believing that others must take responsibility for his responsibilities. Kalat niya, dapat siya magligpit. Diba? Kahit sa mga simpleng laruan lang. Number 5, avoid letting him watch any TV program. He will grow up thinking that there is no difference being a child and being an adult. Pang-anim guys, avoid giving your child all the money he asks for. He will grow up thinking that getting money is easy, di ba? And pwedeng he will not hesitate to steal paglaki niya. 7, always avoid putting yourself on his side when he is wrong. Pag nagkamali siya, wag na wag mo siyang kakampihan. Pwedeng sa mga neighbors niyo, pwedeng sa teacher niya, sa police. Kasi ang mangyayari niyan, he will grow up thinking that everything he does is right. Diba? At laging pagkakamali ng iba yan. Diba? Others are always wrong for him. 8, avoid leaving him alone at home when you go to the place of worship. Otherwise, he will grow up thinking that God does not exist. Diba? Dalhin nyo siya lagi. Pag nagawa nyo ito, wise parent ka. Diba?